Ken, can you please remind me that we need to pick up that pumpkin? That pumpkin on the wall.
Yeah,
I need to.
it's Christmas time.
Christmas time.
Duh.
You know what pumpkin I'm talking about?
The pumpkin hanging on the brick wall? It's
right there.
Christmas time.
That one. We need to pick that pumpkin up. What? I told you! Is that the elf you've been looking for?
Oh, but no. Wait a minute. Let me go see.
I told you. I told you. Adults can touch him, kids can't. What is he doing on the pumpkin? You want to leave him up there? You want to take him down?
You gotta leave him up there so Daddy can see him too, huh?
Yeah.
Okay.
Elfie.
I told you he was coming.
He's not sick after all, okay?
He must feel better.
I thought he was sick.
But he must feel better. He said he was gonna come back when he felt good.
Where's the play button?